Solved problems, journal, T accounts and trial balance. Problem. Transactions. August 1. Mary invested cash 82,000 to open a repair shop. August 4. Bought repair supplies from Yasano on credit 5,000. August 6. Paid 2,000 as partial payment for the account in August 4. August 8. Bought furniture and fixtures and paying cash 800. August 12. Performed repairs of machinery and received cash 4,000 for the services rendered. August 15. Paid the salaries of helpers for the first half of the month 14,000. August 18. Bought office supplies on account from LCC 2,300. August 20. Performed services to Mr. Jones on account 5,000. August 22. Paid advertising expenses for the month 2,500. August 25. Collected 2,000 to Mr. Jones as partial settlement on August 20. August 27. Mary withdraw cash 24,000 for personal use. August 30. Paid 14,000 for the employees' salaries requirement. Journal entries, T accounts and trial balance. Solution. Journal entries. August 1. Mary invested cash 82,000 to open repair shop. August 1. Cash account debtor 82,000. Mary capital credit 82,000. Being Mary invested cash for the repair shop. August 4. Bought repair supplies from Yasano on credit 5,000. August 4. Repair supplies debit 5,000. Accounts payable credit 5,000. Being the repair supplies bought on credit from Yasano. August 6. Paid 2,000 as partial payment for the account in August 4. August 6. Accounts payable debit 2,000. Cash account credit 2,000. Being the amount paid to Mr. Yasano. August 8. Bought furniture and fixtures and paying cash 800. August 8. Furniture and fixtures debit 800. Cash account credit 800. Being the furniture bought on cash. August 12. Performed repair of machinery and received cash 4,000 for the services rendered. August 12. Cash account debit 4,000. Repair services revenue 4,000 credit, being the repair services done on cash. August 15. Paid the salaries of helpers for the first half of the month 14,000. August 15. Salaries debit 14,000. Cash account credit 14,000, being the salaries paid. August 18. Bought office supplies on account from LCC 2,300. August 18. Office supplies debit 2,300 to accounts payable credit 2,300, being the office supplies bought on credit from LCC. August 20. Performed services to Mr. Jones on account 5,000. August 20. Account receivable debtor 5,000. Repair services revenue credit 5,000, being the services to Mr. Jones done on credit. August 22. Paid advertising expenses for the month 2,500. August 22. Advertisements debit 2,500. Cash account credit 2,500, being the advertisement expenses paid. August 25. Collected 2,000 to Mr. Jones as partial settlement on August. August 25. Cash account debit 2,000 to accounts receivable credit 2,000, being the cash collected from Mr. Jones. August 27. Mary withdraw cash 24,000 for personal use. August 27. Drawings Mary debit 24,000. Cash account credit 24,000, being the cash withdrawn by Mary. August 30. Paid 14,000 for the employees' salaries. August 30. Salaries account debit 14,000. Cash account credit 14,000, being the salaries to employees paid. T accounts. Accounts receivable. August 20. Debit 5,000. August 25. Credit 2,000. Balance carried on 3,000. Balance brought down 3,000. Debit. Accounts payable. August 4. 5,000. Credit. August 18. 2,300. Credit. August 6. 2,000. Debit. Balance carried down 5,300. Balance brought down 5,300. Credit. Mary capital. August 1. 82,000. Credit. Balance carried down 82,000. Balance brought down 82,000. Credit. Advertisements. August 22, 2500 debit, balance carried down 2500, balance brought down 2500 debit. Office supplies, August 18, 2300 debit, balance carried down 2300, balance brought down 2300 debit. Drawings account, August 27, 24,000 debit, balance carried down 24,000, balance brought down 24,000 debit. Repair service revenue, August 12, 4,000 credit, August 20, 5,000 credit, balance carried down 9,000, balance brought down 9,000 credit. Repair supplies, August 4, 5,000 debit, balance carried down 5,000, balance brought down 5,000 debit. Furniture and fixtures, August 8, 800 debit, balance carried down 800, balance brought down 800 debit. Salaries account, August 15, 14,000 debit, August 30, 14,000 debit, balance brought down 28,000 debit. Cash account, August 1, 82,000 debit, August 12, 4,000 debit, August 25, 2,000 debit, August 6, 2,000 credit, August 8, 800 credit, August 15, 14,000 credit, August 22, 2,500, August 27, 24,000 credit, August 30, 14,000 credit. Balance carried down 30,700, balance brought down 30,700. Trial balance, account title, debit, credit, cash account 30,700 debit, accounts receivable 3,000 debit, furniture and fixtures 800 debit, accounts payable 5,300 credit, Mary Capital 82,000 credit, drawings Mary 24,000 debit, repair service revenue 9,000 credit, salaries 28,000 debit, repair supplies 5,000 debit, office supplies 2,300 debit, advertisements 2,500 debit, total debits 96,300, total credits 96,300. Recap. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Accounts Lobby for various solved problems and lectures on accountancy.